We are in the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez. And Jennifer, yesterday's weather, gosh, it was nice to get out there, but this weekend you're saying it's going to be a chilly one.
Yeah, it definitely will, especially tomorrow when winds increase. But this morning we're seeing mostly clear skies, and we're going to have some sunshine for the first half of the day. So it's going to be a very pretty day overall before clouds kind of move in. 26 degrees in downtown Marquette with a northwest wind of about 8 miles per hour. Today, clouds increase, winds not too bad, 10 to 15 out of the northwest for speeds, and temps reaching around the 40-degree mark in the areas with the sunshine in the central and east. There it is, upper 30s to around 40 degrees within the eastern half. The western half will range in the low to mid 30s this afternoon. Tomorrow, a different story. Most of us in the 20s, upper 20s across the eastern half, and then around 20 degrees with some upper teens across the west end of the UP as colder air moves in, and that cold air will stick around with us for a couple of days. There is a clipper system to our northwest with an included front. Now this moves in today, but a secondary front behind this one moves in tonight, and it's going to bring in that colder air. In the meantime, winter weather advisories will be in effect this afternoon at 2 o'clock in the afternoon through tomorrow morning for the western counties, highlighted in purple because we're going to have accumulating snow, and with winds increasing, we will likely have blowing snow during the overnight hours through tomorrow morning. We're looking at 4 to 6 inches of snow, but higher than 6 inches in the higher elevations of the west end of the UP and for parts of the higher elevations within Marquette County. So here it is as we put it into motion. Sunshine for the central and eastern counties with snow moving in light in nature across the west by mid-morning, scattered about this afternoon. This is 5:30 in the afternoon. And you can see here in the central counties of the UP, we start to see a few of these very light scattered snow showers, but temperatures will still be in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. So this will likely be more of a mix as it comes down in those places. It'll be mainly light snow across the west. Then that area of low pressure dives south of us. We'll have the colder air moving in overnight with lake effect taking over and winds increasing out of the north-northwest. This is tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. Still ongoing throughout the day. Here's tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. And then on Sunday, we will still have some bands of lake effect snow in the eastern counties of the UP. Winds will gust around 35 to 40 miles per hour tomorrow morning, or starting very late tonight through tomorrow morning, and then it slowly decreases tomorrow afternoon. Regardless, it will be a blustery one tomorrow. Temperatures into the 20s tomorrow, but with the winds, it will feel like single numbers. That's where our wind chill readings will be ranging at for tomorrow. Then on Sunday, we're looking at highs mainly in the teens. On Monday, we're going to have high pressure move in, some sunshine. It's going to be a pretty day. Our next disturbance that'll bring in most impactful weather for us is this wide-ranging storm system that could bring in some severe weather for the southern states of the U.S. And then for us in the Great Lakes, a rain and snow mix event potentially starting Tuesday night through Wednesday. We're many days out of this. The track of this will likely change, so stay tuned for updates.
After the break, we're getting